Ashley, JT's big sister. Today he will be trying to swallow a spoonful of cinnamon. Let's go to JT.
You gonna do it or not?
Do it, do it, do it.
You're gonna spill it if you don't. Yes, it's cinnamon.
Smells okay.
Today.
I don't have all day here.
Okay,
Alright, turn around.
Wait for the camera.
You
Turn
have
around.
failed!
Epic fail!
How was that?
Nasty.
Do you think you're going to try it again for $50?
No. No.